think I was born to be a welder. I was born to work with metal. A lot of little kids, they have their little teddy bears or their doll. I had a welding cap.
In 1972, I started work with metals for Historical Society in Czech, basically metal and blacksmith work. I moved to United States. I started work for foundry.
I don't have the artistic ability that he does. When it comes to like the more technical stuff, that's where I excel. At one point he helps me, at one point I help him. We just click.
Every customer has a little different vision. Many times we collaborate with customers, basically work on design. Yeah, we do many pieces for houses. All this can be contemporary design or classic designs.
Custom metalwork is something you do that's a craft. I checked out several places here in Albuquerque and also checked with places in California and Arizona. The work that Richard and Jeremy do surpassed all of them.
Ordered some front gates, our front doors to our home, and some window coverings, and then a walk gate. The quality of their work shows, and just everybody that drives by really notices them. It just stands out from everybody else's.
I think they do excellent work. They're very friendly and they always want to please you, which is a really good trait for them. Everybody that comes to our home, they just rave about the doors and the entrance. It's looking rustic. Everybody just loves it.
Craftsmanship, that's the key. Basically everything we do is functional art, but we don't just give people what they need, we give them what they want. As long as it's metal, we can make it happen.